to this Sunday service. My name is Michelle.
And my name is Carlson. And I want to remind you guys that today is our Art and Talent Sunday. So kindly, if you have a talent, just come and present it in the pulpit, because it's going to be a really great Sunday. Because you never know, your talent can really take you places. So just don't feel shy, have the confidence, and come and present your talent.
There are several departments in this church, so if you're a member and you're not serving in any department, you're welcome to serve. Please see the various department leaders after the service. There are Wednesday and Friday services during the week, so I welcome you all to the Wednesday service that starts from 5:30 p.m. all the way to 7, and the Friday mini kesha that starts from 7 p.m. all the way to 10:30. I welcome you all to come and get from the Lord. Beauty for Ashes is actually around the corner, so I urge all the ladies to prepare themselves to avail themselves during 26th August of this month. So please come on 26th August so you could get and grow as ladies. Thank you.
And also a reminder, if you're not in any discipleship group, you are kindly asked to meet Pastor Jeff for him to put you in a group. And on our last announcement, we want to thank all of you who turned out to vote. You actually did a great thing by exercising your constitutional right. So we want to say that for those who won, can you celebrate in a way that is not really going to disappoint the other people? And for those who lost, I think it's a high time you concede defeat. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Amen.
Have a lovely service.